السلام علیکم، کیا حال چال ہے ویورز؟ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ سب خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ آئیے بغیر وقت ضائع کیے اپنے پیپر کی طرف بڑھتے ہیں۔ The major segment of Saraiki speaking population lives in. So mostly Saraiki speaking population پنجاب میں رہتی ہے۔ To create table of columns and rows for statistical or mathematical calculation using spreadsheet, which software is used? So Excel is used. 53. The longest river of China is, it is also the longest river of Asia. Yangtze Kiang. 54. To make amend for means. So to make amend for, to compensate for damage. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan at the time of its rejoining of Commonwealth in 1989? Benazir Bhutto. What is the synonym of abase? Abase means tazleel, so the synonym of abase is degrade. In the Second Constituent Assembly elected in 1955, the Muslim League formed a coalition government with United Front. 58. A device which encodes characters by the depression of keys is known as keyboard. Which of the following vitamins maintains normal clotting of blood? So vitamin K is used for maintain normal clotting of blood. 60. اجماع means. So اجماع کا مطلب ہوتا ہے consensus. The 1970 elections in Pakistan were originally scheduled to be held in October but had to be postponed to December. What was the reason for this postponement? Food and cyclone in East Pakistan. 62. Find out the correct passive voice sentence. They showed the visitors the historical monuments of Lahore. The visitors were shown the historical monuments of Lahore. 63. When did India conduct its first nuclear test? 1974. When did the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics cease to exist as an entity? So 1991. Entity. 65. President Mamnoon Hussain was born. So he was born in Agra, British India. 66. Synonym of implicate is to involve. On selling 17 balls at Rs 720, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. The cost price of a ball is 60. Which river is flowing under the Westminster Bridge? Westminster Bridge. So the right answer is Thames. If 100 kg of meat is divided into packages of 4 by 7 kg each, the total number of packages will be 175. During New Year celebration for 2017 at a club, 39 people were killed in a terrorist attack. In which city did attack the place? Istanbul. Which country has the maximum number Nobel Prize winner? So the USA is the country who won maximum Nobel Prizes. 72. Non-permanent members of the United Nations Security Council are elected for a fixed term of 2 years. 12% saves sale tax on the market price. As a result, a customer has to pay Rs 4680 for the cycle. What is the market price of the cycle? 4000 और 12% टैक्स 680. 74. Addis Ababa is the capital city of Ethiopia. PAL is an organization to look after the welfare of the writers community. PAL stand for Pakistan Academy of Lahore. Letters, sorry. 76. Ummul Masakin was the title given which of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, wife. So the right answer is Hazrat Zainab bint Khuzaima radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The unit that controls all parts and components of a computer is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Choose the correct meaning of idiom. Put or set the cat among the pigeons. So the right answer is to say or do something that makes a lot of people angry. Which of the following districts of Balochistan contains huge deposits of copper? Chagi. Which prophet is also known by the title as Khalilullah? So the right answer is Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. 81. Name the prayer in which there is no change in fard rakat in case of कसर. सॉरी टी दोनों जगह लिखा गया. मगरिब एंड फजर में टी रकात फर्ज रकात में कोई चेंज नहीं होती. When did the Jallianwala Bagh incident took place? 1919. April 1919. Who was the Pakistan first permanent representative to the United Nations? So the right answer is Petrus Bukhari. The concept of carbon credits originated which of the following? So the right answer is Kyoto Protocol. The square root of 729 is 27. How many times has the word Qul has been repeated in the Holy Quran? More than 200 times. 87. Which of the following metal is not only magnetic but also radioactive? Thorium. 88. What was the name given to India's partition plan? June 3rd plan. 89. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by. So the right answer is neurodegeneration. Presidential form was introduced of government in Pakistan under the Constitution of 1962. 91. احمد ندیم قاسمی کی پہچان ہے. So the answer is افسانہ. اپنے بے خواب کواڑوں کو مقتل کر دو، اب یہاں کوئی نہیں آئے گا۔ اس شعر میں کواڑوں کا کیا مطلب ہے؟ آنکھیں۔ سوال نمبر 93، سودیشی ریل کس کا مزاحیہ مضمون ہے؟ شوکت تھانوی۔ 94، پروز اینڈ کونس ایڈیم کے درست مغلب کا انتخاب کریں۔ موافق و خلاف باتیں۔ 95، جز رسی کرنا محاورہ ہے، اس کا مفہوم ہے کنجوسی کرنا اس کا مفہوم ہے۔ اردو گرامر میں دو جملوں کو ملانے والے الفاظ مثلاً کو کیا کہتے ہیں؟ حروف عطف۔ لفظ گال کا مترادف بیان کریں۔ رخسار۔ اصغری و اکبری کے کردار کس نے تخلیق کی؟ سو دی رائٹ آنسر از ڈپٹی نذیر احمد۔ 99، نظم کے لغوی معنی کیا ہیں؟ نظم کے لغوی معنی ہیں تنظیم اور ترتیب کرنا۔ اصناف نظم میں ہائکو کتنے مصرعوں پر مشتمل ہے؟ سو ہائکو ٹوٹلی 3 مصرعوں پر مشتمل ہوتا ہے۔